Commander Morning. La today ake sikhulume sinenkampani la yama-security ebizwa ngokuthi iMatara Investment. Le Matara Investment ibukakala i-exploiter abasebenzi. Ikampani yama-security enational enkulu futhi enama-site amaningi kwa-Transnet. Isebenza no-Transnet very closely, and uTransnet uyaqhubeka uyinikeza imali although ixhaphaza abantu. Ama-security akhona, one, they changed the contract okuyiyona abayisayine ngoJuly. Then they've changed the contract. Khona i-contract entsha abayisayinayo and it affect ama-leave abasebenzi. That new contract isayinwa manje. But ke uphinde kuba ama-late payment. Laba abantu bakhokhelana noma yinini nanoma imalini. So they don't care about the well-being yabasebenzi. There are ama-unfair labor practice amaningi njengoba siwabala nje. Enye yakhona no Sunday, no holiday payments. Angithi uyayithola lento esishoyo, iyona nto abayenzayo leyo. And baphinde bathi no leave, akho muntu oyelivini. Since baqale ilokhuze sebesalelo 2 years kwi-contract ka-5 years. And out of these 3 years, abantu abayi living, abantu abawuthatha sick leave, abantu abayi kwi-maternity leave, abantu yonke into yakhona it's a mess. Laba abantu abanikezwa ama-pay slip, just simple pay slip. Futhi laba bantu ngezindlela abanayo ilungelo lokuthi bahambe bayothenga izinto ezitolo zeyingane zabo noma bavule any account noma ngabe yingubo zogqoka abavumelekile ukwenza lokho, because once you don't have a pay slip you won't be allowed ukuthi uvule any account. So meaning even ama-insurances abo, it doesn't work for them ngoba abanawo ama-pay slip. Okunye, these people are not registered with ulokuze uSIRA. Ama-companies akhona, company qobo is not registered with uSIRA, as namagada akhona are not registered with uSIRA. Umbuzo ukuthi sisebenza kanjani kwa-Transnet, sisebenza kanjani kwa-government entity with all this non-compliance. These people are not complying with Labor Relations Act, not complying with Basic Condition of Employment Act. These people as well, there is no PPEs. Umthetho uthi kufanele ube nama-PPEs, provide abasebenzi ngama-PPEs at least twice a year, but it's not happening la kwa-Matara Investment Security. It's not happening. And now pinda futhi these people what pay queries are not attended. So laba bantu ba-OSHA abasebenza imali yangempela, there is no bonuses on top of that. These people are not bonus, and they will never bonus, because every time they change the contract of employment. So sibambele naleyo nkinga ke bafowethu. Sibambele naleyo nkinga whereby abantu bakithi beosomabhizinisi kodwa bengafuni ukwenza izinto ezi-correct. Njengamanje ke we are planning to take this matter forward. We tried ukuthi sibabhalele and they are not responding accordingly. There is a lot of it. So we have to take a decision ukuthi senze njani. So uma bekhona abaphethe lo Matara Security Investment, bakwethu batsheneni ukuthi MK Labor Desk iyabadinga, abashaya ucingo siyabadinga ukuthi bazo-answerisha all these things ezenzekayo ezimbi ezi-illtreater abasebenzi exploitation, unfair labor practices, unfair dismissals. There is a lot that you can mention. Ezenzo aba comply with even one, even in leave, they are not complying. Siyafisa ukuhlala etafuleni nabo mabekhona kodwa njengamanje we are proceeding ngemthetho ekufanele bayilandele ngoba we cannot allow it, and kufanele Transnet athi make sure ukuthi laba bantu either ubakhanselela i-contract ngoba phela ba-comply at all. What is the criteria yokuthi kuphase i-tender yabantu abangacomply badla imali yamagadi? Usho ukuthini lokho? So we are here to defend the working class njenge-MK Labour Desk. We are here to defend the working class. Mandla siyabonga. Mabekhona batshela ukuthi siyatholakala 071 978 4717 071 978 4717. So uma besidinga asibalekile, asiye ndawo sikhona and sizokhuluma futhi nabo. Siyabonga. Mandla.